Hey there, everybody, and welcome back to the InvestTalk YouTube Market Wrap-Up. I'm Lou Guerrero, and today's Monday, April 14th, 2025. Let's dive right in. U.S. stocks closed a bit higher, though the afternoon saw a little bit of softening from the highs at the opening of the session. Dow up 78 basis points, S&P 500 up 79 basis points, NASDAQ up 64 basis points, and the Russell 2000 small caps up 1.11%. Outperformers included pharma and biotech names, banks, asset managers, investment banks. Relative underperformers included managed care, airlines, apparel, retailers, and hotels. Treasuries, which we talked a lot about last week on the show, a little bit firmer after a significant backup in yields last week, about 50 basis points, I believe. Significant, yes. Dollar index was down 50 basis points after losing nearly 3% last week. Gold finished down 60 basis points after that fresh all-time high on Friday. And crude oil marginally higher, though nothing significant. And so what really drove price action today was a continuation of that relief rally that we saw at the end of last week. Volatility coming down a little bit, and overall a pretty uneventful session, especially compared to what we saw last week. There was also news on Friday and through the weekend that there would be exemptions for some electronics products like smartphones and computers. And the market took that as a net positive, even though Trump and some of his trade officials started to walk that back on Sunday and today. Not much with respect from macro data. Tuesday brings Empire State Manufacturing for April and March import price indices. March retail sales will be out on Wednesday. The headline expected up 1.4%. Core seen up 60 basis points. Industrial production for March and the NHB Housing Market Index for April will also be out on Wednesday morning. Fed speak looks like we got Hammack and Schmidt, though the highlight is Chairman Powell of the Economic Club of Chicago. Weekly jobless claims, March housing starts, and April Philly Fed manufacturing out on Thursday. So busy week ahead of us on the macro front. And we'll be talking about all of that every day here on our market wrap up. So join us back here tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on.